Hello friends, today I am making almond flour bread and I am using this almond flour, and here are my ingredients. 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of butter, homemade makhan, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 good egg, and some bowl and stuff. But the mug is very important because I am making 90 seconds mug bread in the microwave oven. Let's get started. Here goes the almond flour. Baking powder, one good egg, and butter. I'll mix it properly. Make a good consistency. It is beat it properly so it makes a good mixture. Now I will add it in the mug. Remember, it is low carb bread, very healthy, very yummy. Clear it up. It's going into the oven. It is going into the oven for 1.5 minutes, 90 seconds. Oh my god, here's the bread. It's hot. Let it cool first, or you can just cut it out like me. Oh, I'm not good in cutting, but trying it for you. Oh, check it out. How fluffy burgery it is. You can make mini burgers of it. Okay, I'll apply cream cheese on one of them. It is hot. Oh. Okay, here we go. So look at the bread, it is very yummy, and here is my brother to taste it.
Hello.
Okay, just have the slice. How is it?
It is healthy and so much yummy.
Good.
You can try it at your home.
Yes, go make it and tell me in the comment box that you like it or not.